Manuel Selassie Ija Rastafari. Both fans no mega. I mean me update the afford late. Yes, and for that under medication. Don't I mean me update. Anna kung ni pabi logo loka noma. Pabi logo pian ani chaka me ana chak we me am a message deliverer. And pa wear pi award. Pa wear pi fake awards. Pa wear pi fake awards. So fans ma mega ke kachel ki jo machwako an amera word you I want to declare these NUMA words very fake awards and fuck these NUMA words. Pian you see how fake these NUMA words is. In the kera you kera anikin categories. Kidong type the animal kera anket gikin categories. Yes, anamera yabu local categories again. Labole overall artist. Who is the overall artist? Overall artist is someone who has taken decades in the music industry and is still shining up to now as I talk. Paka wecha wani ponotika go away na angani. Ikinjua maki kerani category ket gini weng overall artist. Anga mucha go away wachoni. Kidong 40 wecha wani 40 go away na angani. Haya. Eri hivi no overall artist don't get you when me important at a part. Male artist. Man and pa mira look yema pod. Even on what male artists can be you me on a important at a part. Ana be in dancehall. We ma ana on the game wa kani polero weng ma party better days mati hip hop banga. Ki 77 mati hip hop banga. Ki reggae music. Ma wajini propaganda. Pola we na weng ti dancehall. Pingo ke kwanya ana dancehall artist. We mada umamada ukokla fabaragi atasa gi mwakani peke banga tomo peke mono dancehall banga pinga ke kwanke dancehall artist engine wa waji NUMA is fake high song of the year dano ene tika waji ne ya dano ene tika waji ne mama nyabu to tok maro ko labo uno nen mano tika mi dancehall pinga peke song of the year ana we ka mama nyabu pesti song of the year ana ngolo NUMA kuya an pa ngola word when pian is fake. Fuck your words. Piandana Chadana. After all, Dana, your title, any song of the year, any mama nyabo. Yes, to talk Marco Labo. Yes, content creator. Now, unutia kero an. Kidana matika tikilo kachala boga lamge. Ya any tia leading. Content creating. Chidong an away ginity fake. Pero karaka moiken. In fact, utia word to me about you weng. Uchok uting overall artist me about la poema can momero. Pian unukero ani piem kijo maperwate ken haya male artist utiu mi por la poema mero dancehall artist beda na mo tamu juma utiu mi por la poema mero song of the year weng pian ada pere komudo utiu mi por ngaro ken wa content creator ada ka wa dano matiu kit content ma mega umero mi ni content creation any lo utiu mi por legend artist legend man my contributing to loyal alone in fact mo kani kwa katar wa ni kikija na umi por team boss me piano team on potem to go timba utim to fully we utim to mama kwenye pe dare mo kana utim chunkolo me bere MP geno ngana so mo kana kano ne un lukija no legendary wa tierbor team pian mo legend uti me legend chumpe gen me to ba yes I mukilo lo kada wa hip hop wen ana go better days mati international song ulting hip hop award ya me por lu poema mero ay waregi category ne ano peke nene mwakani ya cheke me mwakani ara mera team ke jabo la tien makiluonye poet jolo nen pien latine ni ikarma wan go wang ole tap ucha mere claiming wang utime chalu anda ka peke yeben but ya da wan team project me wang wan poet jolo nen wang ko majuma promising make to category me poetry ya word peke pengo. And you know where fans will make under me watching. Fuck their words and probably berti ya word a word pa Juma ni Juma don't make a word any. I will way muguni. Pay time unu guaba. Arabi make go away non-stop ya. Unchiga made your fucking words. And mega da queer kerki debe. Kerki coach and a queer. A queer ki mega undo ko waiting a piano ya. Mwa any waiting a piano. We Anford pa go away. Manford warm up. Oko more dancehall tika piano, more reggae music, more hip hop tika piano. Oko giving a word in. In fact, a word mukana you are talent killers. Uno tia nega word padana ye. Utia nego talent padana ye. Man I look my word. Full stop. Holy Manuel Selassie Ija Rastafari.